Do you want to know how you can download ADP on your Android device? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download ADP on your Android device. Go ahead and open Play Store, which is on your phone. Go to the Google search bar and then search for ADP. After you search for ADP, you can see that ADP Mobile Solutions appears. Tap on it and you can see the install icon. Go ahead and click install, and in a while you can see that ADP Mobile Solutions will start to download on your phone. In a while, after the download is completed, it will automatically start to install, and in a while you can start using ADP Mobile Solutions for yourself. I hope this video about how you can download ADP on your Android device was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.